on the third floor here, Quarry Heights. And there's still Vaseline on the stair banister there. I could have slipped and done myself an injury there. That's been there for days. What's happening?
It's an alarm triggered. If everything's fine, there's no fire.
Yeah.
But if the alarm stops, the lift's working.
There is no actual fire then now?
No, there's kids in the smoking and that's
No.
Fuck, again the kids are smoking.
Okay, wasting everyone's resources and time.
I know, and on a night like this as well.
Thanks for coming out because, as you said, we've always told that you've been wondering what's going on and what to avoid.
So what we've had here tonight is kids apparently smoking or vaping, and they've set the alarms off. In fact, you can smell what they've been smoking there. Been smoking a vape or something, and it set all the alarms off for the block. So I've come down from the from the 14th floor there. Every time you hear fire engines and I mean obviously tonight we could smell smoke anyway because it's November the 5th, it's bonfire night. But we are starting a tenants group up, and I think it's a good thing, because if kids are there smoking and setting off the alarms and the blocks are flat, something should be done about it. And if you look up there, there is the CCTV, whether that's working or not, and there's both lifts now, which are currently out of order because the fire service have shut them off, which they have to do in the event of a fire. And as we stand there with the fire service outside, responding to the alarms being set off there due to a lack of security in the blocks, we're looking at a picture of the building safety manager, Joe. Now I'm not going to start recording the firefighter there, because one of the ladies is here tonight, so I'm not going to start recording them. I know the fire service don't like that, so I think we'll leave it there. Needless to say, we've had kids in the block smoking, vaping, and they've set the alarms off, so the lifts are being shut down. Fire service have had to put all their resources into coming here, and it's on a night like this you don't need that happening. Anyway, I'll leave that for now.